Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Andrew Ask, where we talk all things high ticket affiliate marketing. Hey, I'm really glad you're back here again today. I have added a subscribe button down there. If you're on your desktop, if you could hit the subscribe button. And if you're on a mobile app, like a lot of people are, just go back and please subscribe to my channel if you like the content you see, and life and money and a few other things like that. So please give it a look. And today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, but I'm going to talk about two types of affiliate marketing, what I call part-time and full-time. So you might wonder what I'm talking about, part-time, full-time affiliate marketing, because generally when we talk about affiliate marketing, we're referring to starting your own business, being self-employed, which is generally a full-time job. But I think one category that gets highly overlooked is the part-time person. You know, the part-time person is somebody that may have a friend who's doing it. They stumbled across it like many other people, and they have a job or they have an income, they have a retirement income or something of that nature, but they're looking for what we call passive income, and we'll get back to that term later, or a side hustle. You know, you hear that term too. Those are two terms I'm going to come back to later in this video and kind of give you my definition of those. But you know, that's kind of how the part-timer looks at it. They come into us like, yeah, if I could make a little extra cash, create some contacts, that would be cool. And what I've seen so far is that most of the part-timers, all of the part-timers per se that have started this, have become full-time affiliate marketers because how great it works, how lucrative it is, how much they fall in love with the idea of doing affiliate marketing. But however, if that's where you're at, if you're currently working, if you have a job that you kind of like, maybe you kind of don't like, maybe you've been thinking about not liking it, then, you know, you can still get involved in affiliate marketing. So that's why I want to make this video, because sometimes I think we stress the idea of starting our own company full-time, jumping all in, right? You know, I almost wish I would have started it part-time and had that security job, but my situation was a little different. I had lost my job. Even a little pre-COVID, I found myself unemployed. And when I found myself unemployed, I was struggling to find the next career. I believed in my heart at this point I wanted to do my own thing, and so I knew I wanted to start something. I wanted to jump into it full time. That's risky. That's a little scary because I had no idea the income potentials from other than what I'd seen other people make, right? But I had no idea yet what my income potentials would be. But I believed in myself enough to think that if I can apply the principles that I had learned in the 15-day challenge, I could be successful. I will be successful. But the idea of doing it part-time is awesome because you can get in, you can still take the 15-day challenge, you can take it at your own accord, your own time, your own pace, and get all that knowledge. And then start launching yourself, start putting yourself out there, start getting your offer out there. And before you know it, you might be surprised and you're gonna see some things like clicks and purchases and money are gonna start coming in. And you might find yourself saying, hey, I don't want to do my job anymore. I don't want to have to work Monday through Friday, 40 or 50 hours a week and transfer into a full-time position. And that's a huge celebration when people post on Facebook or TikTok and they say, or YouTube, and they say things like, I quit my job today because I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. That's awesome. So, you know, if you're thinking into this, jump into it part-time. It takes some time to build this up too. It's not a get-rich thing. It's not an overnight thing. There's no card you can plug into your computer and just start printing money, okay? And that's one thing I want to get. So there's two terms I've learned in affiliate marketing, and there's always trade terms in every industry. When I was in the car business, which I was in the car business for about 10 years, sales, finance and insurance, used car manager, general sales, I did a lot of things, is that we have trade terms and that, you know, the box and stuff like that. And they're not good because they tend to deteriorate, in my opinion, the quality of what is trying to happen, okay? Those two things I mentioned earlier was passive income. I want to share with you my theory on passive income. It doesn't exist. And here's why I say that, you know, everything takes some amount of effort, a little amount of money. You know, I mean, hopefully you have a computer, you have an internet connection. Those are the bare necessities. You've got to at least have that much, and those cost you some money. Now maybe you can start making money with them. But there's no just again, plugging anything into your computer and just saying, oh, it's passive. I can sit back now and rest. There is work to be done. There is thinking ahead that has to be done. There is content that has to be made for these offers to be legitimate, for these offers to have traction, for people to actually accept and take these offers. So get the term passive income out of your mind, because it confuses people sometimes and makes them think, oh yeah, I'll just plug this in and next thing I know, I've got passive income. However, what you can do is you can earn income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because it does work that way. It doesn't have an open and close sign. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, based on how much work you put into it. So get passive out of your mind, because I don't like the word passive. It's too lazy and it tends to be negative. Another trade term or term I've heard around affiliate marketing that I don't really like either, it's called the side hustle. It sounds like we're trying to hustle somebody, we're trying to con somebody, we're trying to make quick money, make a quick buck. And I don't like it. I don't like the word side hustle. I think if you want to have a second income, an income that is something that's more a hobby or an excitement or a passion that I'm doing, I earn money. It's another revenue stream. That's really what you got to look at it. It's not passive, and it's not a side hustle. It's a legitimate career path. It's a legitimate offer. And we need to quit using those words, in my opinion, and legitimize what we're doing. We're all professionals in what we're trying to do. We're not trying to hustle, and we're not trying to tell people that they can sit on their butt and not do anything and make money. You'll get some time to sit on your butt, though. You don't have to work those 40, 50-hour weeks anymore, but you're going to have to put some work into it in the beginning, So, with that being said, that's why I want to talk about that, because I struggled with that for early on. People would say passive income. They'd show their income streams on TikToks and YouTube, and you'd be like, wow, all this money. And when I got into it at the 15-day challenge, I was super excited, super pumped, super motivated, throwing everything at me, getting it all done, right? And then I got it all up there and I launched it, and I was waiting for that passive income. And I'm not passive. I don't like to sit and wait for anything. If I'm waiting for something, I should be doing something else. And I struggle with that because I'm like, what else do I do? So you have to come up with ideas. You have to film videos. You have to make content. You have to be prepared for the next step in this journey, because that's what forward thinking does. 5 minutes when we have these ideas. Our brain is wired to tell us to do the safest of things. So when we get an idea that's like exciting, it's like we should launch out on this. You basically got 5 minutes to make a decision and act on that. Otherwise, your brain's going to go, whoop, never mind, slow down. Let's just play it. Again, there's part-time and full-time. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I prefer to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, and I'll make another video about what high-ticket affiliate marketing is versus regular affiliate marketing later. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel, make a like, send me a comment, follow me on Facebook. It's all good. We're out there and we want to help. That's what I'm here to do. My name is Andrew Rask. I go by Andy. I'm a high-ticket affiliate marketer, and I'm here to help. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.